The application takes 15 minutes online. Navigation shortcuts, the Medicare customer service trick. Call Medicare at 1-800-MEDICARE early morning or late evening for shorter wait times. Have your Medicare card ready and know your specific question before calling. This cuts call time in half. The state SHIP program secret. Every state has free Medicare counseling through SHIP programs. Google SHIP plus your state name. These counselors provide unbiased help with no sales pressure. They're Medicare experts who work for you, not insurance companies. Enrollment period tricks. The special enrollment trigger. Moving to a new zip code, even across town, often triggers special enrollment periods for Medicare Advantage and Part D. Use this when you need to escape a bad plan mid-year. The Medicare Advantage trial period. Your first 12 months on Medicare include trial rights. You can switch from Medicare Advantage back to original Medicare anytime during that first year and get guaranteed Medigap acceptance. Doctor and hospital tips. The emergency room strategy. In emergencies, go to the nearest hospital regardless of network status. Medicare Advantage plans must cover true emergencies everywhere. Get stabilized, then request transfer to an in-network facility if needed, the prior authorization shortcut. If your Medicare Advantage plan denies a service, ask your doctor to submit a peer-to-peer review. This gets a doctor from the insurance company to talk directly with your doctor.